Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this professional heated eye mask by Aroma Season. So this uses electricity to warm up the eye mask for those of you with dry eyes or use eye masks at night. Typically the other ones you microwave, but this one is all electric. So there's 3 temperatures: medium, high, and low. And timers, preset timers, and filled with flaxseed. Sounds super healthy. The package has all of this good stuff inside. This is a nice package. All right. Instructions, specs. Do not use while sleeping. All right, let's get it. Oh, there's no battery inside the eye mask. Keep it power on when using it. All right, let's get it. Let me cut through the tape. And for those of you interested, I will drop a link in the description, this video description, on where I got this from. Wow, look at that. Comes with a little wall plug. Boom. So this is how you power it. USB. Nice, cute little electrically heated eye mask. Cool. Looks like a pretty sturdy strap. Like how it is more minimalist in design. Cool colors. Gonna look dope wearing this. Gonna look super fresh. Especially with the cool, what is this? I don't know what this is, but looks like some sort of like holder, or maybe it's for, I don't know. I'll figure it out. Let me know in the comments if you know what this is for. All right, guys. Again, I will drop a link to where I got this from in the video description. Hope you're all doing well. Take care out there, and see you all for the next unboxing video. Later.